This year's plant sale will be running right here at 5561 Elmer Drive next door to the Toledo Botanical Gardens. Friday will be open to the public from 12 to 6, and then Saturday morning we will also be open to the public from 10 a.m. till 6 p.m.
The plant sale is super special because it gives students great opportunities with employability skills and learning business management, and the money we make from it goes back into our students with doing research projects and paying for the plant sale for future students and all these great, amazing things.
This year, students have been busy probably since October in anticipation for the plant sale this year. They've been making cuttings, been seeding,
cleaning up our greenhouse, making sure everything is watered, going through and killing off pests,
pruning dead leaves off of plants and fertilizing plants to make sure that they stay healthy for the plant sale and that they look aesthetically pleasing.
So much has gone into this. These kids were champs and really put up with a lot, but they're very excited to put this sale on. We have things this year that are going to be fantastic for Mother's Day gifts. We put together a lot more things like succulent pots. We probably have twice the containers that we've had in the past. We've also put a little bit more effort into multiple size of hanging baskets. Not everybody's going to be able to afford a real big fancy one, but stuff that kids could maybe be purchased for their mom.
It's like a very sincere and heartfelt gift, since it's something that they can take care of, just like how they mothers take care of their children. You're giving something you took care of to them.
So this year is going to be a little bit different because we are under construction. So our construction crew has graciously offered to give us some of the space back in our warehouse as we put on the sale. Parking's going to look a little different, and we may have to be creative with how we actually move the traffic around through the greenhouse here. We might be utilizing the doors out back in a way that we've never done before. So bear with us this year. We don't have the same amount of inventory as normal, but yet we still have a lot of really great stuff. I'm Brian Ellis, and I'm TPS proud.